Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel with withBade Art. Belinda here. So I've mixed up my paints. I'm going to be using purple and yellow. These are Liquitex Basics. I've also included some pouring medium, Liquitex pouring medium into both. Well, into all of them, but I've also added Floetrol into all of them. So I'm just making sure that everything is mixed in properly, because I see that I have a bit of white areas at the bottom. Alright, and then I have purple, which I'm going to be using as my base coat. So I'm going to be doing another ring pour today. Just make sure that this is all covered properly. So of course this is just to allow the paint to move properly. So the paint doesn't actually fold over itself when you're tilting. And what I've done is I've worn 2 pairs of gloves, so I can just remove the outer pair after I've done this. Right, that should be good enough. Get rid of some bubbles. A little bit of flamethrower again today. So I'm hoping that you will see me pouring into the cup. Maybe if I move this away. So my base colour is going to be purple. This is a 30 by 30 canvas. Sorry, a 30 by 30 centimeter. So I actually only need about 147 mils of paint. These are 200 ml cups. I want to be able to give it a good stretch. Not just use up all of that yellow actually. I'm just hoping it doesn't come out green. The last time I did one, it turned out quite green. I'll probably show you at the end of the video. I do like green, although it wasn't really the colour I was after. Okay. So this is a bit of a travelling ring pour. I'm just trying to dump some paint off on that corner there. Although I think I might want to keep a little bit of it purple because I'm just kind of looking for some balance in the corners. And I don't really want to get rid of all of this purple in between. That's kind of what I want. This is so shimmery. It's very, very pretty, actually. Beautiful. I'd like to stretch. Try and stretch that out a bit as well. I'll give this one more torch and then I'll bring you down. I just think I should pour a bit more purple on the end here. Just to get that. Yep. That's better. Let's see what else we can get here. This one has been sitting for a while now. Just been waiting to see what also might come up. I love that fiery part. These colors have just come out absolutely beautiful. And these veins, the purple veins, they really stand out. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks guys. Bye.